Yeah, number 10, let's get right into it. And this is Ted's Woodworking. So this is a...
Good old Ted's.
Yeah, I mean, death, taxes, and Ted's Woodworking. It's been around for a while, but there's a reason why it's been around for a while. It is constantly being optimized. It's constantly being worked on. It does well on a plethora of different ad buying platforms, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook. And as we can see here, we're looking at the VSL, and it gives you kind of this, I like the breakdown where it's like, hey, here's what you get when you purchase this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost walking you through the steps. And it's like, oh, well, if you really want to see all the ways that you can do this, just, buy here. So, we go in here, look at the order page, and it looks great, great and customized. If we look at the affiliate resources page, awesome. It gives you everything that you need to know, whether how much you're making per sale, the commission, the EPCs, and we'll get into those numbers right here. And yeah, just a really great product, and the people behind the team, really great to work with. And let's talk about those numbers here. And there's a reason why it has been, it's always on our leaderboards every single day. And the reason being, get paid out $67 for if you're an affiliate. Initial EPC is at 39 cents. EPCs are at 54 cents. But we have to talk about that. There's a lot of people who promote this.
Yeah.
This is if you look at how the offers of where the most affiliates are. This is where one of those offers is, and it still does really well. The initial AOV is $73. Total AOV above 100, and the conversion rate, 2%. It is very solid, and it's for those that are in that looking for a do-it-yourself, a home and garden, home improvement, and really great for those lists if you're an email affiliate or if you're just on paid traffic for those do it at home people.
Yeah, I love it. I think it's the only home and garden one we're featuring here in the top 10. But if you go to the home and garden sub niche, I know there's like shed plans, for example. There's a chicken coop one I've come across. There's a backyard barbecue, competitive barbecue cooking course kind of thing out there. There's all around
really?
How to be.
Well, you just
there's some really cool info products out there in the home and garden space and kind of the backyard space in general, especially crafts and hobbies. So you can really, there's a sewing plan one that's come out recently, right? That's doing really well. So there's all kinds of stuff in this hobby space that you can really sink your teeth into that can convert quite well to a surprisingly wide audience sometimes, and can pay out really well too. So thanks for that, man.
Yeah, it's a great one.